Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy ETH on Bybit. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Bybit. So once you're on Bybit, now log into your Bybit account. So once I've logged into your Bybit account here, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go and click on this buy crypto option here. So there's a buy crypto option. Click on one click buy. Click on it. So when you click on one click buy here, you will see this screen here. So what we're going to do now is on spend here, type in the amount that you wish to spend and then the currency that you are spending. So for example, just type a value, the spending amount, and then on receive, so we're going to buy ETH. So on receive currency, just choose ETH. So just click on this currency here, click on it, and then you're going to select ETH. So there's ETH here, so select it. Okay, so okay, so it's just here. There you go, ETH. So just select that, and then once you have selected that, so that's the value you're getting. So and then payment method, just select any payment method that best suits you, and then hit on buy, and you'll be prompted to the payment page where you're going to provide your payment details and complete the transaction. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in another video. Thank you.